wish to have in your life, or any issues, mental issues, emotional issues, anything like that?
Mm.
You have.
You want me to?
Yeah, actually,
Okay.
no, I do not want you to tell me, but you
Mm-hmm.
mark it or you recognize that.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay.
Now you recognize that which is disturbing you. Now,
Mm.
let me ask you that what for we are sitting here? What is your aim or goal? Let us first identify that. Okay, what is your goal? What you want to achieve? Anything emotional,
Okay.
anything, anything very personal, or anything related to your profession? Which area you want to cover up?
So obviously, profession is first because uh, every human wants to grow. Every human wants to learn more and become a better version.
Right,
And he aspires to grow in a manner in which he can take care of his family
right,
and all the other people and some generations as well. And similar is my
right.
aspiration as well. Uh, do I have a concern? Yes. The concern is that I need success. I want success for myself, and success for me is you know being materialistically happy, being mentally happy, being socially happy, everything. Everything should be fulfilling. It's called barkat. I should have barkat everywhere. So that for me is success. What is holding me back? I believe I cannot take risks. So even calculated risks for me is a huge thing. I do take calculated risks, but I'm very poor at it. So probably, in spite of working hard, I might not have been as successful as I should have been. So that is where I need to build myself.
Okay. So, can you identify your weakness area which is not allowing
Mm.
you uh, to fulfill your career progress, life, or something like that? As you are trying to mention that you are afraid of taking any risk, even you are afraid of taking a calculated risk, right? So, is
Mm.
that holding your progress? What do you feel?
Yes, that holds my progress because I have seen my family members. Uh, they took a risk and the risk did not succeed. So I have a probably I have a mental block there, and that is why I do not take risks as much as I should.
Hey, why you think it is a risk?
Why I think so? So let's say, for example, I can give you an example. So I want to start a very successful business model, but I don't want to invest my money there. Why? Because I fear that if the business is not successful, I will lose all my money and then I will have nothing. So that is a small example. I want to learn fast, learn everything and learn fast.
See,
And
whatever,
probably these fears keep me back.
okay, whatever you want to do, or
Mm.
want to progress or do something, I mean, any kind of business or any kind of things like that, right?
Mm.
Why don't you
Mm.
start something which requires no investment or very very less investment? Anything kind of that suits or in your thinking, or if it is so, then you can go ahead with that. Or otherwise, don't think that I have to invest crores of rupees, lakhs of rupees, and then I will lose that thing, right? Those kind of a picture you have already generated in your mind, right?
Mm.
So I am trying to
Mhm.
tell you that do you feel that for generating success in your life, is there any other way you can think of it? Because you are stuck on that.
I'm not sure what the other way can be.
Yeah,
I am willing to work hard and
what I'm saying, you must work hard, right? There is a
hmm,
difference between work hard and smart working.
correct.
There are many people, they smart workers. They work
Hmm,
very little, earn much more than any other person,
hard.
but they work little. That is called smart
Hmm,
working. Hard working is didn't work up. You throughout the day you go on toiling, very busy all the time, but the result is very poor. So that kind of a thing. See, it is like that. A laborer works throughout the day, right?
hmm,
Earns very less. But a
hmm,
person, manager, or somebody who comes there for a few hours or minutes, advises him to
hmm,
do the things, and but he earns more,
correct.
right? So you have to think about those kind of a thing,
Hmm,
right? You have to generate something in your mind which
hmm,
will help you uh, to find out some ways out of it. There is a way, there are ways, right, which you are not able to find it out. But definitely there are ways for your, I mean, whatever you want to. But
hmm,
then
hmm,
what is happening? You are shutting your mind to something beyond that you don't want to see, right? You have made some barriers of your mind,
okay.
right? You are thinking, whenever you think of your success, you think about your whole family problems, issues, and all that. That creates a barrier in your life. You are unable to go further, proceed, because that thinking, that story, whatever, right, always is there in your mind. Are you changing your place?
Yeah. Sorry, yeah, because internet connection was not coming in the inside room, so I came in the outside place.
So,
Better connectivity.
could you hear what I have said?
I missed the last part. You are
Actually,
saying that
what I'm
some part of my
saying,
brain is blocking whatever positives that I am trying to do.
what I'm trying to tell you, that you have a ambition, you have a goal, right?
Hmm,
Whenever
hmm,
you think of a goal, the other person within you, they say that you had the issues in your family, maybe your parents or somebody else, they have invested and they lost the money and they lost everything, right? So they never allow you to think in a different way.
hmm.
Okay. Just a minute, wait a minute,
Sure,
a phone call.
sure.
Okay, right. So what I was thinking, telling you that
Hmm,
whenever you start thinking about your goals or ambition or something like that, you get back by some thought that if I take the risk of money, I may lose the money and all that. Right?
hmm,
It is
hmm,
okay. It is your thinking. It is okay. But unless you remove that thinking, you will not be able to proceed further. Risk may not be in that way, the way you think, right?
hmm,
Maybe other way, maybe that you do something which you can earn money, but investing very less or no investment, right? There
hmm,
are many ways. There are many ways. Think of some ways.
hmm,
Think of some ways where you can without much investment or no investment, you can start a business or something like that, right?
right.
What type of business you have in your mind? Anything can you share with me?
Yes, it's so I have been in the e-commerce field, so obviously selling stuff, producing and selling stuff is my line of work. So my business plans are also according to it.
See, you can always make a portfolio, something like that, that
Hmm.
you can you can you can help people by supplying or contacting a suitable person, suitable quality, suitable qualifications. That sort of a data you start collecting now, right? You
Hmm.
those some experts in some area, then you connect them, right? You connect
Hmm.
them. You have to tell people that I am in this business. If you want to join in this business, please register your name and all details,
Hmm.
right? There is no investment in that, right? Then once
So you are
you
selling, you are basically saying marketing.
marketing, I mean, this is what you want to
Hmm.
be, I mean, marketing or whatever. I
Hmm.
do not know, I am not very sure what is there in your mind, but it is just a
Hmm.
suggestion, e-commerce and all
Hmm.
that,
Hmm. Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
You can collect a engineer or specific engineer or specific management person, a trainer or
Hmm.
something like that. You
Hmm.
have a
Hmm.
data of that, and then
Hmm.
you find out the client for that, right?
Hmm.
You become the in between person,
Right.
right?
Right.
I
Hmm.
am searching for a web maker, website maker. I am
Hmm.
searching, suppose for example I am trying to
Hmm.
make my website. So I do not know
Hmm.
whom do I approach. There are so many persons in the market. I do not know who is based, who is not based, who is professional,
Hmm.
who is not professional. I do not have much idea, but you get that idea. You
And I
register.
provide it to you.
Yeah, you provide to me. One single
Hmm.
point window point, what they say nowadays, that single point
Hmm.
business or one window business, right? That
Hmm. Hmm.
you can start in that way. See, when you start searching your head, may not be exactly this, maybe something else crop up in
Hmm.
your mind.
You are saying I can get a new idea out of
New
it.
idea have, there are many new ideas. See,
Hmm.
Flipkart, right? It is in Bangalore, guys. They have started, and now they are competing
Hmm.
with Amazon and many other people, right? There are crores of people. Why? How they have done? Think something which is possible. Whenever you think anything comes in your mind, you remember that there is somebody behind you suggesting you. Whatever comes, good thing comes in your life, whatever thought comes in your
Hmm.
life, you must know that somebody else behind you who
Hmm.
is there as a friend, philosopher, or whatever you say,
Hmm.
there is somebody who is suggesting you, but you don't know, you ignore those persons. Getting me? So
Okay.
there are
Hmm.
possible, there are many possibilities.
Hmm.
Whatever experience you have, exactly
Hmm.
that experience you may not be able to utilize, but uh, whatever I mean experience you have, with that you can build up something else, right? We have in our college days we have learned, I am a mechanical engineer, you may be a mechanical engineer, whatever, right? But
Hmm.
mechanical engineering, how much we have used in our profession? Hardly anything.
Hardly anything. I am an
Hard,
electronics engineer. Hardly anything.
hardly anything, right? So
Hmm.
what we did with that? That was a basic knowledge. Engineering is a basic knowledge to analyze, to find out something, making something different, right? So
Hmm.
that way you can utilize your experience. May not be exactly same thing replica you will make. It is not necessary, but you must make something from that, innovative things.
Got it.
You are stuck somewhere, right? Then when you are unable to utilize your intelligence.
Probably I am also getting a bit lazy. So, uh, it happens, right? So,
Say it is you are not particular person, but our zone, from which zone we come from, it is
uh,
like that way. We dream so many
okay,
things, but we don't materialize,
correct.
right?
Is it because we are getting lazy? Is it
It is
because we
definitely
lack focus?
it is become even because of laziness, right? डे
Hmm.
ड्रीमिंग, दिन का पुलाव बना के खाना है वही तक उतना ही तक सीमित है, right?
Hmm.
Beyond that we think that it is a risk.
Hmm.
It is a zonal effect, right? So if
Right.
you
How do I come out of it?
right, you have to think that how do I come out of it.
Hmm.
Now I will do a process, okay?
Hmm. Hmm.
I will help you to enter to your creative mind, right?
Okay. Okay.
I have talked about you that
Hmm.
that is called conscious mind and subconscious mind.
Yes.
I
Yes.
have talked to you, right?
Yes.
Conscious
Yes.
mind is the mind with which we work daily on daily basis. We talk, we do whatever activities we do by through our conscious mind. Conscious mind has got very little capacity of creating something, only 5%.
Hmm.
Rest, 95% lies in subconscious mind. Is a tremendous power, tremendous capacity of creating your world. But we don't have access to the subconscious mind, right? So
Right.
what I will do with you or help
Hmm.
you to
Hmm.
make a bridge between conscious mind and subconscious mind,
Okay.
right? And then
Hmm.
you cross over. Bridging means you may be standing in between a river where you are
Hmm.
standing one side, you want to go to the other side, where
Hmm.
you may be standing in a village, you want to go to a big
Hmm.
city, so you need a bridge over the river so that you easily
Yes.
cross over from village to a big city. That process, the bridge making, I will help you to build a bridge of you,
Okay.
right? So what I
Right.
will do, I will make you relax your body, relax your mind and all that. Then I will give you certain instruction. See,
Okay.
you make your camera fix now. Don't move,
Okay.
don't move here and there. You slightly
Okay.
adjust your camera so that I can see you up to your chest, right? Now onwards, don't restrict your movement. Okay,
Okay. Hmm.
concentrate, relax, relax now. Follow your breath. You are breathing in, you are breathing out. When you breathe in, you breathe the oxygens, you breathe the energy of universe. With breathe in, you inhale the universal power. And while you breathe out, you remove all your bad emotions, any bad feelings, or any issues in your physical body. You are breathing out. You are making your body and mind fresh and active. Slowly, slowly relax, from top of your head to the calf and foot sole. Whole body you feel relaxed. Now I will tell you to open your eyes and I will count 1 and 2. When I say 1, you should open your eyes. When I say
Hmm.
2, you should close your eyes.
Okay.
Now I will continue doing that. 1, you open your eyes. 2, close your eyes. 1, 2, open, close. Continue that way.
Okay.
At some point of time, I will tell you to close your eyes, and whenever you are closed in condition, don't open your eyes, right? And I will ask you to go into deep sleep.
Okay.
You will obey my suggestion. Is
Okay.
that right?
That is okay.
You have permission for that?
Yes.
Okay. Now relax, relax, relax. Totally relax. Breathe in and breathe out. 1, open your eyes. 2, close your eyes. 1, open your eyes. 2, close your eyes. 1, open your eyes. 2, close your eyes. 1, 2, 1, 2. Can you take out your speak? Can you take
Yes.
out your speak? Now let us start again. Relax. Breathe in and breathe out. Close your eyes. You are breathing in the oxygen, universal power, which is energizing your brain, energizing your body, energizing your mind. While you are breathing in. While you are breathing out, you are removing all bad emotions, bad thoughts, any issues, pains in your body. While you are breathing out, everything goes out of your body, goes out from your mind. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Relax, 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 relax. Whole body is now totally relaxing from top to toes of your legs. Now I will count 1 and 2. When I count 1, you open your eyes. When I count 2, you close your eyes. Is that right?
Yes.
1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2. Sleep. Go to deep sleep. Now, as I count from 5 to 0, you go deeper and deeper to your subconscious mind. I will count 5 to 0. As I count down, you will enter deeper, deeper, deeper inside your subconscious mind. 5, you are going downwards to your subconscious mind. 4, going further down deep inside your mind. 3, further deep inside your mind, further deep inside your mind. 2, further deep, 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 deep inside your mind. 1, still further, you are almost there with your deepest level of subconscious mind. And 0, you are there in deepest level of your subconscious mind. In this state of your subconscious mind, you have all creative power. You can create what you want in your life. Now you are the creator. Relax. Now concentrate and focus your thought on the top of your head. Concentrate your mind, focus your thought on the top of your head. There is a energy generated at the top of your head. You feel the energy in any way, either tingling or hotness or coldness, whatever way you feel the energy above your head at a particular point. Now bring down your thought and energy to your front head, in between your eyebrows. You are focusing your thought in between your eyebrows. And whole of your brain, inside all cells, all neurons of brains are being energized through your thought, becoming more creative, more active, and helping you to build up your new life. Now focus your thought to both of your eyes, nose, cheek and chin, both the ears, all your face is now totally relaxed. Bring down further to your thought, energy to your throat. Throat is covered with your focusing thought, energy, and all the glands, organs, veins in your throat are relaxed. Further come down to your shoulders, both the hands, calves, wrist and fingers, upper back, lower back, upper front chest, and upper abdomen is totally relaxed. Your thought is moving below your shoulder, chest, upper chest, lower chest, upper back, lower back, then come down to your thighs. Both the thighs are relaxed, knees, calves, ankles, foot soles, and all fingers of your foot. All are totally relaxed. Your whole body is relaxed from top of your head to bottom of your leg. You are totally relaxed, totally relaxed, totally with the subconscious mind. Now you think you are in a big office where you are the owner of that office. You are the owner of a big office with thousands of employees sitting in that office. You have a separate chamber with glass walls. You have secretaries. You have personal assistant. You have senior employees of your company, middle level and junior level. You are making a very good big business, lucrative business. Every month there is a huge profit from your business. You have a current business account in a bank where every month you are depositing much money, 2 crores, 3 crores. It varies from 2 to 5 crores. Bank balance is increasing every month. You are paying handsome salary to your employees, to your assistants. You have decorated your office very nicely, professionally. Visualize. With this, say, you think in a movie form now. People are talking. There are male and female employees. Their dresses, color of their dresses, you visualize them. Your dress color, which color is shirt, ties, and pants you are wearing, what color of your car, which model of your car, you have a chauffeur, driver, how he is dressing, his dresses, all you picturize in your mind in a movie form. See what people, all your employees are talking to you. Any suggestions, they are giving suggestions. You are advising them, you are guiding them. See in all, hear all the sounds, all the movie, the colors of their dresses, colors of your office walls, any color you can see, you generate that bright and vibrant colors. Make it bigger and broader. Make the colors bigger and broader. Make the sound louder and louder. People are talking, you are talking. There is a meeting room, big meeting room, a oval shaped meeting room, table, oval shaped table. You are sitting in one side, others are sitting both the sides. There is a big AC, cool room, meeting room, conference room. You have all sort of employees from highest level to the lowest level. You have peons with dresses, employees, your office. Your office is in a very good place, commercial place of a big city. Your clients are coming and asking for the material, what you are supplying, you are manufacturing. Manufacturing unit is different where you are manufacturing things or having connections with different kind of people, experts on their different professions. Whatever comes in your mind, make it bigger and feel what you are feeling now. How proud feeling, how happiness feeling you have. Increase the feeling. Increase the feeling of your happiness. Increase the feeling of confidence. You are talking very confidently with all your employees. You have created your own business, own office with thousands of employees. Now you are the boss, you are the owner of this business. You are earning lot of money, you have a good bank balance. Every month bank balance is increasing. You are happy with your family, very good family, enjoying with your family people. You are creating all your future from your subconscious mind, from your inner mind, where now you are staying. Can you see the picture, movie?
Yes.
Can you see the sound? Can you hear the sound?
Yes.
Do you have feelings of confidence, happiness? You have everything very clearly, vividly. You see as a movie. You are creating your own life movie. You have created your own life movie, and that is in reality in your life. Visualize, picturize these things in a movie form with many colors, with big sound, high sound volume, and with very good happy feeling, confidence feeling. You are the boss, you are the owner of a very lucrative business, profitable business. You are getting so many awards from the government for your business and success. You have very you are becoming a very renowned person in India and abroad. Your product are selling like a hot cake, heavy demand of your product, and you are doing very hard work to maintain the order supply. Your employees are happy and healthy. You are paying them a lot, very good salary, very good incentive. Now I am giving you 1 more minute to enjoy your creation of your life, earning lot of money, crores of money in your bank balance, have a good house, big bungalows, portico, garden, cars, everything you create, you have created from your subconscious mind. Your inner mind, your subconscious mind has created for you. In your mind, it is already a reality. And in physical level, it is a reality now. Enjoy, relax. I will count 1 to 5. When I count 5, you can slowly open your eyes and come back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You can slowly come back. Whenever you wish, you can open your eyes. Rub your hands, rub your hands and put it in your face. Just get up from the chair and just little walk. Stretch your body, hands.
Yes.
Enjoyed?
Yes, feeling fresh.
Right. What you could see everything.
Yes, I saw those glass ceiling, glass walls, people talking, the car parked outside, business is growing.
Very nice, very nice. That is the reality, what you want.
Yes,
The resources will come to you automatically. Resources will come to you to grow up, to start and grow up your business.
yes.
I am stopping the session, okay?
Okay.